forest where whispers dwell. Ancient magic flows through the trees so tall. Leaves rustle softly in the breeze of old. Tales of treasure, secrets hidden in the fold. Hush, now listen to the forest's call. Whispers of magic in the mystic hall. Mystical aura draws us all, seekers of wonder in this enchanted thrall. Through the shadows, under the moon's pale light, the lute's sweet melody fills the night. Wildflowers bloom with magic in their hue. In the mystic forest we find our true. With every step on the ancient path, echoes of magic, Unomin's soft blast. Adventurers come, drawn by the tale of secrets hidden beneath a mystic veil. Hush, now listen to the forest's call. Whispers of magic in a mystic hall. Mystical aura draws us all, seekers of wonder in this enchanted thrall. Hush, now listen to the forest's call. Whispers of magic in the mystic hall. Mystical aura draws us all. In the mystic forest we stand tall.